that's a piece of styrofoam. We are having a major windstorm. Walking over to Kids Cove right now. This is crazy. Austin just goodness, look. We're walking through it. Look at this truck. The freaking wind is crazy. Wow. Oh, we saw a trash bag flying through the air about 50 feet up back there. What's up, guys? It is a beautiful December day. So we are spending it at the park. We went to Sonic because we don't typically eat out a lot, but Mike had some free coupons for 3 cheeseburgers and a corn dog from Sonic. And they expired on December 31st of this year. And so he gave those to me this morning and was like, here, take the kids out for Sonic and maybe go to the park or something. So that's what we're doing. That's what we did, and now we're at the park. Just letting the kids run off some energy. This is so much needed. We needed this so much. Soaking in some good old vitamin D. And yeah, so I'll just stop talking now and I'm going to show y'all what they're doing. So anyway, later. Is that your Ford, Austin? Hey, Chloe, you guys don't have shoes on. I hope you don't get stickers.
No, I'm not going.
Chloe's not going in?
No, I'm not either.
No, just Austin?
Hardcore.
Huh?
Hardcore right here.
Hardcore? What do you have to do? Wow. I don't think I've ever actually been in here. Oh, okay. Looky there. Look at that. Alayna's going to go over some of these. Oh, Austin's going down over that one down there. What, Chloe?
Wait, I'm afraid.
It's all right. What are you afraid of? Well, go get your shoes and then you can go on through.
I'm falling.
Is that your fort down there? Alayna, go get your shoes, and then you can come through here. Tell Chloe. Austin is way down there. Oh, Austin just came out the back door. Is that the back door, Austin? Is that your back door? Back in the front door. You gonna go back through again? Oh, you even got a side door? You gonna go, is there another door down there? Went right through here. Yep. Can you get in? Yep, you did. Ouch. I just stabbed myself in the top of the foot with a stick.
I bet you can't get me.
All right, Alayna's going to come through. Is Chloe getting her shoes on?
Yeah.
Are you coming, Chloe? Okay, can you wait on her? She wants you to wait. It's all right. You're doing it. You can do it. Okay. Well, come over here and I'll tie them. It's all right.
Let's have a sword fight.
All right. Hold on. We're tying Chloe's shoes. probably a good idea. Yeah, it's a nice day today, but it's still December. So. You might have you can go under. I know Austin went under a lot of them, or you just climb like a monkey.
Yeah, I am.
You are a monkey, I know. Huh? Just be careful. Oh, you're climbing way up there. Be careful. Oh, you gotta walk back. Walk back down? Help. Here. Come here.
Wait, too heavy. Too heavy.
All right.
It's gonna snap. Okay. Yeah. This tree falls on me.
Well, don't go up that high. Yeah, just go or just go under like Austin did. Austin went under a lot of them. Looks like he's going over that one, but you want to go over there? You making it over, Austin? Or you're not stepping? How are you not stepping on stickers?
There's no stickers.
There's no stickers back here, but there's no sharp sticks.
No.
Either that or your feet are just really tough.
Ow.
Ow, what'd you do? Your belly? Huh? Be careful. Your arm? Did you scratch your arm?
No.
All right. What'd you find there?
Hurry.
Huh? You're gonna get dizzy, Chloe. Oh wow, look at you go. Chloe, you're making me dizzy just looking at you. Can you get stopped? You got it. All right, go put it on the bench. Here, let me hold it. I'll go put it on the bench for you. Well, it's winter time, so it's down. Actually, you know what? I think they took that. Is that it? Oh yeah, that is it. The peach tree is right, or the pear tree is right. There's a pear tree, Alayna. But it's right there, I think. But there's no leaves on it because it's dead, because it's winter. Well, it's not dead, but you gotta finish your lunch in just about 5 minutes, okay?
No.
Then we're gonna go get because Chloe's not done with her cheeseburger yet, okay? Wait until Chloe's done with her cheeseburger, and then we'll go to Casey's and get a drink. Well, I want something to drink, okay? Alayna's in the tunnel. Let Chloe finish her cheeseburger.
And then we're going to go home. The hackers are over here.
The hoppers?
The hackers.
Oh, the hackers?
Oh, there's water down there.
Is there water at the end of the slide?
Someone touched me.
Huh? Just...
You know what they should do for summertime?
Okay.
They should make this little area a pool.
Really? Inside the tunnel?
No, like...
Oh, on the outside? Yeah, maybe. But how would you get in?